Good evening, children. Welcome to Akshara IIT Foundation. This is Srinivas, your maths faculty. Let us go to the today's class. In trigonometry topic, we have discussed about that complementary angles, right? Complementary angles and compound angles. Nothing but cos A plus B, cos A minus B, sin A plus B, sin A minus B, sin A plus B into sin A minus B formula, cos A plus B into cos A minus B. We have discussed some formulas, set of formulas, right? And let us see some of the problems based on this concept. See, and in this exercise, multiple angles also given. So that type of problems we will discuss in the multiple topics. Okay. Now we are leave the topics and we are going to the next topics. Same topics. That means which are related to compound angles and all. Okay. Let us see the question number 15 here. That is. This question is given that A plus B plus C equals to 180 degrees. The condition is A plus B plus C equals to 180 degrees and tan A by 2 value is 5 by 6. Tan A by 2 value is 5 by 6. Okay, let me write here. I am writing here. Tan A by 2 value 5 by 6. Okay, na? Next, tan B by 2 value is 20 by 37. A by 2, B by 2. Both values are given 20 by 37. And we need to find out the value of tan C by 2. Okay, na? We need to find out the value of tan C by 2. Okay, let us see. A plus B plus C values we know. We need to find C by 2 value. So that's why I am doing this one. A plus B plus C I am going to transpose towards the right side. Then it will be minus C. So I can write A plus B equals to 180 minus C. Am I? Right. Now divide by 2 both sides. Divided by 2 both sides. So this we can write as A by 2 plus B by 2 equals to 180 by 2. 180 by 2 is nothing but 90 minus C by 2. Okay, na? So apply tan both sides. Apply tan both sides. That means tan of A by 2 plus B by 2 that equals to tan of 90 minus C by 2. 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta is nothing but tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, right? Complementary angles. Sin 90 minus theta cos. Cos 90 minus theta sin. Tan 90 minus theta cot, cot 90 minus theta tan. Same way, cosecant 90 minus theta becomes secant theta, secant 90 minus theta becomes cosecant theta. So from this we can write this one as cot C by 2. Okay, until then? Now, while you are observing left hand side part, it is in the form of tan A plus B, compound angle, tan A plus B. What is tan A plus B formula? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. So same formula I am going to apply here. Tan A, nothing but tan A by 2, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. So compound angle formula I applied. Clear until then? Let us try to substitute the values. Because tan A by 2 value I know 5 by 6, tan B by 2 value is 20 by 37. So in the place of tan A by 2, I can write 5 by 6. Okay? Plus in the place of tan B by 2, I can write 20 by 37. 20 by 37 divided by 1 minus 5 by 6 into 20 by 37. And cot C by 2, I can write as 1 by 10. Okay? Or else just find out the value of cot C by 2 value. Then it's reciprocal only, no? Reciprocal of cot is 10. So last we can answer, we can reciprocal it. Okay. Let us see this. 6 and 37. 37 is a prime number. So 6 and 37 will be, LCM will be its product. So 6 into 37 is a LCM. So 6 30 is 180, 6 7s 42. 180 plus 42, 222. Okay, na? Now cross multiplication here you can do like this. 5 30s 150 plus 5 7s 35, 150 plus 35, 185. And 620 is 120 whole divided by, again see 520 is 100, this one 520 is 100 by 637s are 222, that means 222. Before 1 minus also will be there, that is equals to cot theta by 2. Okay na? Yeah. So let us try to simplify this. 180 plus 120, so this is nothing but 305. Sum of 185 plus 120 is 305 divided by 222 minus, divides, whole divides. 222, 222 ones are like, it is looking like a mixed fraction, right? Yeah. 222 minus 100 is 122. 122 is divided by 222. So both the denominators are same, can be cancelled, and both will be cancelled in 61 table. Okay na? Yeah, so that means 5 by 2. Both are cancelled in 61 table, nothing but 5 by 2. So whenever you are getting that cot c by 2 value is 5 by 2, then tan c by 2 value is 2 by 5, because tan and cot are reciprocals. Tan and cot are reciprocals. Got it now? So we have taken that condition, transposing c terms outside, divided by 2 both sides, apply tan. Tan again it will be in the form of a plus b formula. Apply tan a plus b formula and substitute the required values. Find cot value. When you get the cot value, just reciprocal it, we will get the tan value. Okay na? Right. Let us go to the next problem. Yeah, problem number 16 is cos value is cos alpha. Cos alpha value is minus 12 by 5. Cos alpha value is minus 12 by 5 because alpha is in between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. 90 and 180 is nothing but it is quadrant 2. Okay na? 0 to 90 degrees quadrant 1, 90 to 180 quadrant 2, 180 to 270 quadrant 3, 270 to 360 quadrant 4. Okay na? Yeah. So this is quadrant 2. Alpha is in quadrant 2. Q2. Now one more value is given, that is cot. Cot beta value is 24 by 7. Cot theta value is 24 by 7 and beta is lies between 180 to 270. Nothing but quadrant 3. Now we need to identify the tan alpha plus beta. Tan alpha plus beta is lies in which quadrant? Okay na? So from this I am drawing two right angle triangles which is having alpha as an acute angle and second one as beta as an angle. Okay. So according to the ratio minus 12 by 5, what is the cos ratio? Cos is nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse, right? Sorry, it is minus 12 by 13. Sorry, it is minus 12 by 13. Okay. Cos ratio is adjacent side, alpha, adjacent side is 12, hypotenuse is 13. So from this we can identify the opposite side also based on by using the Pythagoras theorem. Okay na? So it will be 5. 12 square plus 5 square becomes 13 square. Okay, right. Coming to that beta, cot adjacent side by opposite side, cot ratio adjacent side by opposite side, and hypotenuse again using the formula for Pythagoras we will get 25. Okay until then? Right. So let us find the tan alpha plus beta. Tan alpha plus beta. Okay na? So from this if you are observing, the tan alpha value is opposite side by adjacent side. That means our opposite side by adjacent side 5 by 12. but tan value is lies between 90 and 180. Which quadrant? Second quadrant. Second quadrant, tan value positive or negative? All silver teacups. S. S means sine and cosecant positive, remaining all negative. So tan becomes minus 5 by 12. Next, tan beta value opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent, 7 by 24. Beta is in which quadrant? Beta value will be in third quadrant. Third quadrant, tan, cot both are positive. Yeah, let us substitute the values. Tan alpha plus beta, that means nothing but tan A plus B formula we are using here. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Okay, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Okay, now alpha value is minus 5 by 12. Beta value 7 by 24 divided 1 minus tan alpha value minus 5 by 12 and tan beta value is 7 by 24. Okay, let us try to simplify this. Yeah, 12 24 LCM is 24 for this. 12 table in 24, 12 table in 24 2 times. 2 into its numerator 10. 2 5s are 10. Plus 7 by 24. 7 by 24 means 24 table in 24 1 time. 1 7s are 7. Whole divided by here minus into minus become plus. So we can write 1 plus 5 7s 35. And there is no cancellation here. 12 into 24 you need to multiply. Some value will be there. But here while you are finding the answer here, minus 10 plus 7 answer is minus 3 by 24, right? Minus 3 by 24. Here also will get a positive value. So numerator is negative value, denominator is positive value. Overall tan alpha plus beta value is negative. Okay, na? Tan alpha plus beta value is negative. So this tan alpha plus beta, when you are adding for both of them alpha plus beta, when you are getting negative, first quadrant all positives, second and fourth quadrants are tan values are negative. So you'll have only the option, this will be lies in quadrant 4. This will be lies in quadrant 4. Okay, na? Yeah. Let us go to the next problem. See the 17th question, that is, the question number 17 is, yeah, multiple based type of questions we will discuss in next period. That means all together in the multiple topic. Next, 18th question, that is 1 plus cosecant pi by 4. 1 plus cosecant pi by 4 plus cosecant pi by 8 plus cosecant pi by 16 equals to how much? This value we need to find. But while you are doing this problem, we need to remember one condition here, that is cosecant theta or cosecant alpha plus cot alpha gives cot alpha by 2. Cosecant alpha plus cot alpha becomes cot alpha by 2. Let us see it is true or not. So I am writing that cosecant value as 1 by sine. Can we write 1 by sine? Because cosecant and sine both are reciprocals of one another, or multiplicative inverse of one another. We discussed in very starting class. Okay, na? Cot we can write as cos by sine. Cot we can write as cos by sine. That is equals to, both are having the same denominator, sine alpha. Now we can write this one as 1 plus cos alpha. 1 plus cos alpha. So simply cos alpha we should write as 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1. We should use multiple angle formula here also. We have no other option to do this. Same way sin alpha also we can write as 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. Plus 1 minus 1 are cancelled. Still remaining is 2 cos square alpha by 2 by 2 sin alpha by 2 and cos alpha by 2. Okay, numerator and denominator 2's cancel. Cos alpha by 2, here numerator cos square alpha by 2. Cos square alpha by 2 means cos alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2. That means 1 square and denominator cancel. What is remaining? Cos by sin. Cos by sin is nothing but cot. Cot alpha by 2. So nothing but you are learning that the condition cosecant alpha plus cot alpha equals to cot alpha by 2, because we have to use the condition here. Okay, how I am using the condition, let us see this. Okay, now check here, one value I am going to write as cot pi by 4. One value I am going to write as cot pi by 4. Why? Cot pi by 4 is nothing but cot 45 degrees. Cot pi by 4 means 45 degrees. Cot 45 value 1. Plus second one cosecant pi by 4. See this one, first two terms. It is looking like this formula, right? Cosecant alpha, cot alpha here. Cosecant alpha, cot alpha. But in the place of alpha it is given pi by 4. But what we will get? Cot alpha by 2. Okay? That means alpha by 2. Here pi by 4 by 2 becomes pi by 8. So this entire value becomes cot pi by 8. Okay, now this is up to here the value. Now cot pi by 8 and remaining next term cosecant pi by 8. Cosecant pi by 8. Again this format. Cosecant alpha plus cot alpha is equals to cot alpha by 2. Same way this is also by 2 will come. From these two, we should write this one as cot pi by 16. And remaining term is cosecant pi by 16. Remaining term is cosecant pi by 16. Again apply the formula. Then answer will be cot pi by 32. Cot pi by 32. This is our required answer. Okay, na? So we are using the condition to solve this entire problem. That condition is cosecant alpha plus cot alpha equals to cot alpha by 2. Okay, na? Yeah, let us go to the next problem. Yeah, see that problem, that is cos 13 degrees minus sin 13 degrees. Cos 13 degrees minus sin 13 degrees divided by cos 13 degrees plus sin 13 degrees. Just observe that numerator and denominator only middle symbol only changes. So positive and negative symbol only changes, remaining as it is. Plus 1 by cot 148. 1 by cot 148. But we don't know the 148 values and all. Okay. So let us try to do this. Now 1 by cot. 1 by cot is nothing but tan theta. 1 by cot theta is nothing but tan theta, because tan and cot are reciprocals. So this I can write as tan 148 degrees. Okay, na? Next, this one also I am going to write as tans in the place of tans. But before that, I am using that the numerator and denominator, both of them should be divided by tan 13. Because all are 13s only. All are 13s only. Okay. So to convert into this one, we are dividing it cos 30 both sides. Divide the numerator and denominator by cos 13 degrees. Okay. So numerator is cos 13 degrees by cos 13 degrees, because numerator two terms are there now. Two terms I am going to divide with cos 13. Minus sin 13 degrees by cos 13 degrees. So both the numerator two terms are divided by cos 13. Same way denominator also divide with cos 13 degrees. Okay now. Now see here, cos 13 cancel, answer will be 1. Minus sin by cos is nothing but tan. Sin by cos is nothing but tan. Tan 13 by, again this one cancel, 1 plus tan 13 degrees. Okay, this value I can write as tan 148, I am going to write as 180 minus 32. Correct? 180 minus 32 becomes 148. Right. Now this one I can write as tan 45 degrees. Because in tan table, tan 45 will give 1. So in the place of 1, I can write tan 45. So this one also tan 13 divided by 1 plus, here I can write tan 13 as 1 into tan 13. So this is tan 45 into tan 13 degrees. So to convert this one as known formula, compound angle in trigonometry, that means in tans, tan A plus B equals to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Here tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B, I am going to try that. 180 minus second quadrant, 180 minus second quadrant, tan value negative, so I can write this one as negative. Whenever it is tan 180 degrees, tan ratio will be same like that, tan only, and it is 32. Okay, let us see. For this value, tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B is nothing but tan A minus B formula. That is equals to tan A value is 45, B value is 13 minus tan 32 degrees, this one. Okay. Now here tan 45 minus 13, how much? 45 minus 13 is nothing but 32. Last also we got tan 32. So tan minus tan, both cancel, answer is 0. Okay now, please check this one and we'll go to the next problem. Okay? Yeah. The 20th question is cos 170 degrees. That is given cos 170 degrees. Cos 150 degrees also given. Okay? Next, cos 130 and cos 10. Cos 130 degrees and cos 110 degrees. Okay, na? Here 4 terms are given. Let us try to convert them into cos 170. I am going to write as 180 minus 10. Can I write like this? 170 I can write as 180 minus 10. Yes. 150 I am going to write as 180 minus 30. 180 minus 30. Now this one how can you write? Very good. It can be written as 180 minus 50 degrees. Last one, 180 minus 70 degrees. Okay now? Yeah. So check this one. Cos 180 minus second quadrant. Second quadrant only sine and cosecant are positives. Sine and its reciprocal. Cosecant are positive. Remaining all negatives only. So sine value, because it is second quadrant, cos become minus. Second term also second quadrant. Minus, minus, minus. 4 times minus symbols will come. Minus into minus into minus into minus become plus terms. So I am not going to write the minus symbols. Okay, directly I am writing. Whenever it is 180 degrees, cos remains cos. We can write this one cos 10 degrees, cos 30 degrees, cos 50 degrees, and last one cos 70 degrees. Okay, first two I am leaving like that. Second one I am going to write as cos 60 minus 10 degrees. 60 minus 10. Here 70 degrees. This is also cos 60 plus 70 degrees. Sorry, 60 plus 10 degrees. And this one cos 10 degrees I am writing front and cos 30 as it is. This is also a formula. What is the formula, that one? Cos alpha into cos 60 minus alpha into cos 60 plus alpha equals to 1 by 4 cos 3 alpha. That formula is nothing but 1 by 4 cos 3 alpha. This formula is very much important to find this answer. Okay, na? Substitute. So it is also same like that. Alpha value 10. 60 minus 10. 60 plus 10. So in the place of this, we can write as 1 by 4 cos 3 into 10. 3 tens are 30. Already front we have cos 30 degrees. What is cos 30 degrees value? Root 3 by 2. Cos 30 degrees value root 3 by 2 into 1 by 4 as it is 1 by 4. Again cos 30 degrees value root 3 by 2. Okay, na? So multiply the denominators. 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So we are getting the denominator is 16 and the numerators root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 ones are 3. So 3 by 16 is our required answer. Okay, na? Please check this one. Okay, now, so let us go to the next problem, children. Okay, that is 21st one is nothing but the problem is given cos theta plus cos 240 plus theta plus cos 240 minus theta. So just observe last two terms, these two terms, cos a plus b plus cos a minus b formula. Cos plus cos. What is cos plus cos? 2 cos cos formula will be there. From this we should write, see, I'm writing the formula, that is cos a plus b plus cos a minus b equals to 2 cos a cos b. This is the formula. Based on this formula, we are writing this step as first one cos theta as it is. Cos 240 plus theta I am going to write. These two I am going to write as 2 cos A is nothing but 240 degrees and cos B is nothing but theta. Okay, na? Yeah. So cos theta is same plus cos 240. 240 I am writing as 270 minus 30 degrees because I don't know the value of 240 degrees directly. I know the values only 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45, 60 and 90 by using the sign table, okay, value table. From that I am deriving the 240 as, I have written that 240 as 270 minus 30, okay. 270 minus which quadrant? 270 minus third quadrant. Third quadrant cos value positive or negative? Negative obviously. Minus. Okay. Whenever it is 270, cos ratio becomes sin ratio. That means 2 sin 30 degrees. And this cos theta as it is remaining as cos theta. And sin 30 degrees value 1 by 2. So numerator to denominator to cancel. It is remaining cos theta. Okay, na? Cos theta minus cos theta, the answer becomes 0. Okay, children? Let us go to the next problem. 22nd one, that is a plus b plus c value is 360 degrees is given this time. A plus b plus c is equals to 360 degrees. Now, we need to identify cot A by 4, cot B by 4, cot C by 4 equals to cot A by 2, K into cot A by 4, cot B by 4, cot C by 4. We need to identify the value of K. Okay. So from this, I am going to write as A plus B equals to 360 minus c. So previously we used tan a by 2, tan b by 2 like that, right? So here 4 is there, no? So divided by 4 both sides. Divided by 4 both sides. This I can write as separately like a by 4 and b by 4. This is also I am going to write as 360 by 4 and c by 4. C by 4 as it is. 360 by 4 is nothing but 90 degrees. Apply cot both sides. Apply cot both sides. Then we need to apply the cot a plus b formula. What is that? Cot a plus b formula. What is cot a plus b formula? Cot b cot a minus 1 by cot b plus cot a, or cot a cot b minus 1 by, I am writing cot a cot b minus 1 by cot a plus cot b. Okay, na? Compound angle under cot. Cot 90 minus theta, 90 minus complementaries. Whenever you are getting cot 90 minus theta, it will be tan theta. So tan c by 4. Okay, right. This tan c by 4 can I write as 1 by cot? Tan can I write as 1 by cot? Yeah, cot c by 4. Now do the cross multiplication here. Cross multiplication. Okay, what is the cross multiplication here? So cot a by 2, cot b by 2, cot c by 4 we have to multiply. Sorry, force all are. So this I am going to write as cot a by 4 into cot b by 4 into cot c by 4 minus, here 1 is there, no? 1 into cot c by 4 is, 1 into cot c by 4 is cot c by 4 only. That equals to 1 into this entire term. What is that? Cot a by 4 plus cot b by 4. Now I am transposing minus cot c by 4 to this side becomes plus cot c by 4. So that is nothing but cot a by 4 plus cot b by 4 plus cot c by 4 equals to cot a by 4 into cot b by 4 into cot c by 2. That means k value is 1, because it should be written as k into something is given. Nothing k value extra term we did not get, so that's why k value considering as 1. That is our answer. Next problem. Okay, na? Let us see the problem, that is 24th one. 23 will discuss in multiple angles time. 24th one, tan x divided by 2 equals to tan y is divided by 3, that equals to tan z by 5, where x plus y plus z equals to pi, nothing but 180 degrees. They are the angles in triangle. Okay, now we need to find tan square x plus tan square y plus tan square z. What we have to find? Tan square x plus tan square y, tan square z equals to 38 by k, k value we need to find. 38 by k value we need to find. Okay, na? Now let us see. These three terms let us take to equals to k. First one and last one I am equating. So from this I can write tan x by 2 equals to k. From this tan x is equals to 2k. Similarly we can write both of them. Tan y equals to 3k, tan z equals to 5k. Now substitute in the place of tan x. In the place of tan x I can write 2k. So tan x square or tan square x is nothing but 2k whole square plus tan y 3k whole square plus tan z 5k whole square, that equals to 38 by k. Okay, na? Now 4k square plus 9k square plus 25k square. Am I right? Because 2 square become 4, 5 square become 9, 3 square become 9, 5 square become 25. Add all of them. 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 25 is 38k square is equals to 38 by k. Now 38 transpose that side. It will be k cube is equal to 38 by 38, nothing but 1. So k value is 1. we got the k value 1. Okay, na? Right. So last but not least, the 25th problem is, that is given that the problem, the value of f of x. The function f of x is given. The function is nothing but x power 4 plus 4x cube plus 2x square minus 4x plus 7. Okay. Then we need to find the value x is equals to cot 5 by 4. X value is given, that is nothing but cot 5 pi by 4. What is that? 5 pi by 4. Let us identify the x value first. We know that 5. Pi value is nothing but 180 degrees, right? 180 by 4. 4 table, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s 20. Okay. So 4 table in 180, 45 times cancel. 5 into 45, it is 225. That is cot 225. I am going to write 225 as 180 plus 45. 180 plus 45, third quadrant, cot value positive. Whenever it is 180 degrees, we will write cot 45 degrees, nothing but 1. So simply x value is 1. This x value substitute in the given equation. I am writing in the given equation. What is that? X power 4. That means in the place of 1, just apply 1 power 4. 1 power 4 is nothing but 1 only. This is 1, 4, 2, minus 4 plus 7. Minus 4 plus 7 cancel. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 7 is 10. The required answer is 10. Okay, children? Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.